everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have an unboxing and that is of the Glamour Glam and Glow edit box. I believe this is potentially going to be an extra video this week because I wasn't expecting to order this box and I already have my schedule planned out for the month, so this might be a little bonus video from me. So this box was available on the Glamour website and was limited edition. I do believe it has now unfortunately sold out. I did actually get an email about this box because I am signed up to the Glamour Beauty Club. The Glamour Beauty Club is a free sample service. You do get emails at random points throughout the year asking if you want to try a certain sample. I've had perfumes, mascaras, lipsticks and things in the past, and they have an allotted amount of them, so when you get sent your email, provided you do claim the product pretty quickly, 9 times out of 10 you will receive that item. All you then have to do is a few weeks after your item is received, you will get an email asking you to review that product. I can't remember where I first heard of Glamour Beauty Club, but I have had quite a lot of products from them. Things have obviously been a bit quiet in 2020 and I presume they might kickstart things again next year. But because of being subscribed to Glamour Beauty Club, whenever the actual Glamour magazine themselves do release these beauty edits, I do always get an email advising me of them, which means that I can usually snap them up. There hasn't been any boxes that have caught my attention until this one. Like I say, this is called the Glam and Glow edit and this was £30 including delivery. They do only have limited quantities of their boxes, but I would suggest that you possibly do sign up to the Glamour Beauty Club because then you will get the best of both worlds in that you might get sent the odd free sample of something, but then you also will get the heads up when they are releasing an edit. So this is how the box comes. It just has a little sleeve wrapped around it. We just take the sleeve off the box. And then inside we do have a slip which details all the products contained in here, which I wasn't expecting it to contain but is really helpful. And as you can see, sort of moving the tissue paper out of the way, this box is jam-packed full of products and like I say, it was only £30. So I was thinking I was going to have to go through and look at all these products online to get the prices, but say we do have the card which details the overlay of the product here. So it says, welcome to the new Glam and Glow Edit Beauty Box from Glamour, packed with best in beauty treats for Christmas. We hope you enjoy Merry Christmas. And then it has all the products listed here. I'll just go through these now. The first product is this one from Dr. Lip. This is the Cbd Calm Balm. It says for extra dry chapped lips and bits, and it's got 50 milligrams of cannabidiol oil in it. It says flavour and fragrance free, and it's got 2 100% natural ingredients in it. So this looks like quite a nice product. I don't think I've ever tried one of the Dr. Lip products. I know they do the sort of, is it called the nipple balm or something, but it's a lip balm as well. So I am quite intrigued to give this one a go. It says its top uses are to help sore, sensitive or chapped skin. It creates extra glossy lips, it softens dry cuticles and calluses, it helps soothe psoriasis, it's good for after sun, it soothes sore noses and it also calms dry irritated skin. So yeah, I'll probably give that one a go. And then referring to the little sheet, it says it is worth £10.99. Next we have this e.l.f. No Budge shadow stick and this one is in the shade Bronze Metal. I've seen these quite a few times on their website and I've always been quite intrigued by them, but sort of never enough to pick them up. I don't tend to go in with this kind of product, but it might be something that I give a little go because I know if I don't like this, it's a product that my mum would use. She does tend to like the Laura Mercier caviar sticks, which I presume are very similar to this. So it is something that I can quite happily give a go, knowing that it won't be a waste and I can potentially pass it on to her. These ones retail for £5 each. Next we have something from the brand Lunia, I think it is, and this is the Radiance Ritual Refining Glow Mask, which includes 10% AHA and 2% BHA. I've not heard of this brand before. The packaging opens on the side and then it comes in this little squeezy tube. So it doesn't say too much on the actual product itself, so I will consult my little crib sheet. So this says that it is a mini and is 15ml. It says it is designed as an at-home facial in a tube. It's packed with potent combination of alpha and beta hydroxy acids to target a host of skincare concerns such as dehydration, uneven texture, dullness, fine lines and pigmentation. So this 15ml is worth £15. So I'm quite intrigued to give that one a go. So I've not tried anything or even heard from this brand before. Then we have this product from the brand Kevyn Aucoin and this is the Unforgettable Lipstick in the shade Confidential Matte. I don't believe I've ever tried anything from Kevyn Aucoin, and it is actually a brand I did consider putting on my list of brands to try in 2021. So, I mean, technically I can still put it on there because I haven't tried this yet, but it comes in this really nice sleek black packaging, and then the product itself just winds up and it is a really gorgeous red shade. I don't know how much use I would get out of this lipstick because I only kind of reach for red lipsticks in December really. I don't know why, I just feel really self-conscious in them, so I don't know if I will use this product or potentially pass it on to a friend or see if it can maybe go in a future giveaway, but it is a really nice product to receive. So this one says, Kevyn Aucoin's products are all about high pigment colour with a luxe velvety formula your lips will love. This matte shade is a rich rosy red which is perfect for a bold lip look. It won't budge even through Christmas cocktails, plus the slim applicator gives it a really precise finish, and this one retails for £24. So even with just the 4 products that I've unboxed so far, I think we're currently on about £50 worth of value. Again, I've only paid £30 for this box. Next we have this product here from GHD. This is the Advanced Split End Therapy. I kind of always forget that GHD don't just make hair straighteners, they do actually do hair care as well. The straighteners that I do actually use are from GHD, and I think they are a great brand, and I think these might be my 2nd or 3rd pair of straighteners now, but touch wood, they do last a long amount of time, so I'm excited to try some of their hair care. So this one says, the split end therapy is activated by the heat of your styler to help nourish and fortify damaged ends, leaving your hair feel sleek, smooth and shiny. This sounds like something for me. When it is getting to the point of me needing a haircut, I do definitely start to suffer from split ends. It can sometimes get quite bad, so I'm intrigued to see how this helps. That's why I love kind of boxes like this, because this is a product I never would have looked into, but I think it is a product that I do actually need. So again, that's why these boxes are great. So this product retails for £21.95. Next we have a product that I already know I love and is one of the main reasons why I purchased this box, and it is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. One I've had open has now been open for about 6 months, so it's at the point I need to start thinking about getting rid of it. It is, I think, one of my favourite all-time mascaras, and I was quite sad to have to get rid of the one I've got. I was probably going to purchase one of these in this month anyway, because I knew I was going to miss it when it wasn't in my collection, and it was just by chance that this email came through saying that this was in this box. This does normally retail for, it says £20.40 on this sheet, but I'm pretty sure it's £24, so that price seems a little off, and also strange that it's £20.40, but I believe it's £24. So for me, because I knew I was probably going to pick this one up in the next month or so anyway, and it's £20, £24, whatever it is, and this box was £30, that's why it was worth it for me to get this box. Plus there's another item in here that I was also going to purchase that again helped me make my decision to pick this box up. This is a great mascara. I'm not going to open it on camera to show you just at the moment, because I don't kind of want to open it and let the air get to it until I'm going to use it. But if you can see on the back there, it does come with 2 different ones. You have the volume side and then also the curl and length side. You can use them together, layered or on their own, and I just think it is a fantastic mascara, and I'm so glad that I now have a backup to go into. Next we have 2 products that kind of go hand in hand, and these are from the brand Earthkind. These are the shampoo and conditioner bars. So this one is for dry and coloured hair and is bergamot and sage, and this one is for all hair types and advanced in oat protein. I can't remember if this brand was featured in my Holland & Barrett advent calendar, because I know I've got a shampoo bar in there to come this month. Believe it or not, I have already unboxed the advent calendar, but my memory is that bad. I knew I could put it all together and each day would still be a surprise. But I feel like I've seen this brand before, and I can't remember if it is in that advent calendar or it's in a subscription box that I've seen. But I always used to use a shampoo bar from Lush, but I haven't used that kind of product for a while. I am coming towards the end of my current shampoo, so something like this might be good to give a try for a change. I don't really have dry or coloured hair, so I don't know how well that one will work for me, but the conditioner might work okay because it says it's for all hair types. So I'm excited to give these a go, and they are obviously better for the environment. So these 2 are actually priced differently. The shampoo bar is £6.95 and the conditioning bar is £8.95. So yeah, excited to give these a go. Next we have a product from the brand Lumen, I think it is, which is a Finnish brand. This is the Nordic Arctic Berry Oil Cocktail. And this is a product that I think was featured in a couple of advent calendars, so I have sort of seen it around recently and I had been quite intrigued by it. I'll go off the sheet for the information on this one. So this says, the cold weather does nothing for your poor face. The Scandi branded Lumen knows a thing or two about keeping skin looking tip-top despite the chill. This nourishing oil will replenish even the driest complexion thanks to its blend of wild Arctic cloudberry, cranberry seed oils and Arctic spring water. So this is just the travel size, which is 15ml, and this one retails for £17.90. So yeah, I'm really excited to give that one a go. It looks quite intriguing with the sort of two colours to it, so I think they must mix up when you apply them to your skin. And then the final product is definitely the one that 100% sold me on picking up this box. This is the Wishful Honey Balm. I have featured this in a few videos recently because I did get a sample from a Feel Unique beauty kit, and I did say that it is a product that I was going to repurchase. And I actually had this, I believe, in my basket on, I think it might have been Feel Unique actually, and I completely forgot to check out, and it was only the next day that I got this email about this box. So I took it as a sign that I hadn't purchased it from Feel Unique because I've got it in here. So this one is actually a full-size product, and this retails for £43. Again, the box was £30. So for me, picking up this box was always going to be worth it, even if that mascara wasn't in it. If just this product was in here, everything else to me is just a bonus, and the fact that I'm even getting it heavily discounted is just great. So what it says about this one is it's a honey-like formula. It's a thirst-quenching drink for dry, dehydrated skin with healing and calming niacinamide, anti-inflammatory and dark spot brightening turmeric root, colour correcting lavender pearls, which results in a luminous, no filter required complexion of your dreams. And I have said in the past that I think this is a great kind of do-it-all product, and you can definitely smell the lavender in it. I'm not a huge fan of anything honey scented, so I had worried that it would smell like honey, but it doesn't. All I can smell is the lavender. So this is a product that I apply as my last skincare step before bed, and the lavender definitely helps be a soothing aspect. And also because of other things that it's got in it as well, it does have a nice pearlescent look to it. So I feel like it's a product that will be great under makeup as well as a kind of glowy primer. I'm so glad to now have a full size of this to go into once I've used up the sample I had of it. But let me just show you the actual tub inside. So this is quite a big tub of this. It is 55 grams of product, so this will take quite a while to go through, but yeah, £43. I've paid £30. It was definitely a no-brainer when I seen this was in the box. So it hasn't got a grand total of everything on this sheet, but I have just added it up myself, and the total value of this box comes to £174. So I'm getting over £140 more than what I've actually spent on the box. I'm so glad that I picked it up. There's quite a few products here that I am really excited to try, plus backups of ones that I know I already love. So out of the other 8 products, I think these two are the ones that I'm the most excited to try. Yeah, 10 products for £30, £3 a product basically. It is an absolute steal, and I'm not surprised that this one has sold out so quickly. I apologise that you can't get your hands on this one, but because it was such a good deal and I was so excited about it, I did want to do a video sharing about it. But other than that, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.